Today, I'm gonna pull a fire alarm at school when there's no fire. Ha ha. Brr, brr, brr. It looks like we're having a fire drill. Let's leave this school building. Lester, the security camera just saw you pulling a fire alarm at school. Why would you pull a fire alarm at school when there's no fire? I did that as a joke. Lester, that is not funny. You know we do not ever pull fire alarms at school. You only pull a fire alarm when there is fire, not over for jokes. You're suspended for 2 days. And I will call your parents. Aw, snap. Lester, how dare you pull a fire alarm at school when there's no fire? You know pulling a fire alarm at school when there's no fire is illegal and can get you arrested. Your dad is right, Lester. What he said is correct. You're grounded until your suspension time is over. Now go to your room.